Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. Today we are going to solve SAT Math 2025 most repeated most predicted questions. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 channel because in this channel you will find the complete solution for ACT, SAT, Olympiad and different competitive math exam. So we will start from question number 1, that is find the product and the first part of this is you have to find the product of a plus 2 into a minus 2. We will solve this. There are two methods to solve this. You can apply formula or by actual multiplication. So if we apply formula, we will get a plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square. So according to that, we will get a square minus b square, that is 2. So that will be a square minus 4. Now we will solve the next one, that is 3x minus 7y into 3x plus 7y. We will solve this. Now we will do the actual multiplication of this and we will get 3x into 3x plus 7y and minus 7y into 3x plus 7y. So we get 3 into 3 is 9x square plus 21xy minus 21xy plus minus 49y square. So 21xy and minus 21xy both are cancelled out and remaining is 9x square minus 49y square. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the next one. We have y minus 8z into y plus 8z. So we will solve this as multiply this by y, we get y plus 8z. And then minus 8z multiplied by y plus 8z. Y into y is y square plus 8yz, and then minus 8z multiplied by y is minus 8yz. Plus minus minus 8 into 8 is 64 and z square. So this and this is cancelled out and we have y square minus 64 z square. Now we will solve the next one. Now we have 11a minus 10b into 11a minus plus 10b. So we will solve this. 11a into 11a plus 10b and minus 10b into 11a plus 10b. So 11 into 11 is 121 a square plus 11 into 10 is 110 ab minus 110 ab plus minus minus 10 square is 100 b square. So this and this are cancelled out. We have 121 a square minus 100 b square. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve. Now the next question is related to the factorize the polynomials. And the first one will be, we have x square minus 49. So we will solve this as, we can see that the first term is also the square of some number and the next one is also the square of the some number. So now we will apply the formula of a square minus b square, that equal a minus b into a plus b. So we will apply this here and get x minus 7 into x plus 7. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the next one, that is four a square minus 25b square. So we will solve this as 4a square can be write as 2a square and 25 can be write as 5b square. So this will be equals 2a minus 5b and 2a plus 5b. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the next one. Now the next one is m square minus 100. So here we can see that m square is the square of m and 100 is the square of 10. So we will write this as m minus 10 into m plus 10. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the next one, a square minus 144b square. So this can be write as 144 is the square of 12b square. So this become a minus 12b into a plus 12b. So this will be the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve other most repeated and most predicted SAT math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.